Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe to be the best boho muslin swaddle blankets on the market. The Lyrichom Baby Muslin Swaddle Blankets, available in a convenient 3-pack with elegant colors that perfectly blend style and functionality for your little one. Right from the start, these swaddle blankets impress with their incredibly soft texture, made from 100% organic muslin cotton. This high-density fabric is gentle on a baby's delicate skin, making it an ideal choice for newborns, especially those with sensitive skin. The material is breathable, allowing air to flow freely, which helps regulate your baby's temperature and prevent overheating, something every parent looks for in a quality swaddle. Each blanket measures a generous 38 by 40 inches, offering ample space to wrap and swaddle your baby snugly without feeling restricted. The size is perfect for covering shoulders completely, which is great for burping or feeding time to protect your clothes from spit-ups. The lightweight nature of the muslin also makes it a great option for all seasons, keeping your baby warm during cooler months, yet breathable enough for summer. What makes these blankets stand out even more is their multifunctionality. Beyond swaddling, they serve wonderfully as nursing covers, stroller covers, changing pads, or tummy time blankets. Their durability means they hold up well through machine washing with cold water and mild detergent, staying soft and vibrant even after multiple uses. Aesthetic-wise, the set comes in neutral, hand-picked unisex colors with classic prints that complement any nursery decor and outfit, making them suitable for both boys and girls. The design has a timeless Americana style that fits beautifully in a modern baby's world. Packaging and presentation also reflect the care put into these blankets. They arrive neatly packaged, making them a thoughtful and practical gift choice for baby showers, registrations, holidays, or any special occasion where you want to impress new parents with something both useful and beautiful. With a product weight of just about 13.7 ounces, these swaddle blankets are light enough to carry along during outings, making them a reliable companion whether at home or on the go. The reversible feature adds an extra layer of versatility, letting you switch up the look with ease. In summary, Lyrichom Baby's Muslin Swaddle Blankets offer a perfect blend of softness, breathability, size, and design, all wrapped up in a set that's built to last and support parents in daily baby care. If you're looking for swaddle blankets that deliver comfort and style with practical features, these are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.